Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I have a really fun video. So this is from a online shop called Craftelier, and this is a shop that was based in Spain. So that is really awesome. I'm so excited because I have been in love with their products. It just hasn't been available, at least for me, to get it. So they reached out to me and they asked if I would like to pick out some stuff from their shop. They gave me a $100 allowance to grab some things, and I was like, yes, of course, I would love to. So I'm on here to share with you guys the stuff that I chose. I will have their website link down below for you guys. And you guys, this came in like 3 days. It was so fast. I was honestly just so excited. So let me go ahead and just get this open. Like I said, this took like 3 days to get into my mailbox. The estimated date was like 3 days later, and it came 3 days early. So this has actually been sitting in my craft room for about a week, but finally getting to opening it. I'm definitely going to be buying more things from here, but I just wanted to get a variety of things. Sorry guys, I wanted to get a variety of things. And as you guys can see from all the tape and everything, they taped it up really good so that way, nothing gets damaged. Said I've been wanting things from this shop for the longest time, and so I'm so excited that I can actually grab some things, and I was so happy that they reached out to me as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything out of here. Ooh, I can already see a little bit of it. So I'm gonna grab everything out of here so it's easier for you guys to see, and then we'll go ahead and flip through everything. Okay, so before I start sharing with you guys the larger items here that I have, I just wanted to show you guys, they did add in, cover any addresses, but they did add in a lollipop, and it looks like it's a heart-shaped lollipop as well. And they use this cute washi tape, and this says my art shop, because tienda is shop, me, my, arte is art, so my art shop, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that says my art shop, because tienda is shop, art, it just makes sense. But anyway, yeah, so here is all the items that I grabbed. I can't wait to share with you guys all the stuff that I picked up, and I can't wait to try that lollipop. And here we go. So the first thing I grabbed was this pink container, you guys. You already know I had to get one of these. I just wanted to see how it looked, and what I can use for it. So I grabbed one of these, and I am going to put everything that I got from here inside so that way you guys can see how much it holds. It is a really good size. It's 10.4 inches by 7 by 1.65 inches. But anyway, here it is. Again, a really good size, and it has latches here, really easy to open. Bam. Let's fill it up. We'll fill her up here. And then I also got 2 of these, and these are about $1.09, I believe, each. And they have this Velcro closure. And I don't know, thinking maybe I could put some scraps in here. And it is in pink. Just wanted to try them out and see what they looked like. So I did pick up a couple of those. Okay, and then I also grabbed these. These are divider assembly clamps, and these are if you want to make like a square, like with a wall to make a box or something, you can use these. We Are Memory Keepers has this tool as well, and I was actually going to grab the tool, and then they asked me if I wanted to if I was open to grabbing some items and making a video on them, and you already know I had to say yes. So these are what the assembly clamps look like, and I need to watch a video on how to use these, but I was going to grab this set because you guys know me. I love the We Are Memory Keepers tools, and so I was really glad to see they had this, and they had them in this color. So I did get this tool. Alright, so I grabbed that. And then they also had these, and these are album rings, and you guys know I like to do tag flips, and the size for these are 1.77 inches, which is maybe like what, 1 3/4 possibly? I'm not sure. Pretty large rings, and I love that they are in different colors. This color is like a salmon color, and I also grabbed the mint in the same size. So I have these both here. So I got one of each of those, and they had smaller sizes as well, but I just wanted some larger ones. And then I also grabbed these pom-pom ribbons, and I had to grab the mint and of course this pinky color. And for each of these you get 2 meters. So that's a good amount. So I grabbed a couple of those. And then I saw that they had some cord, and you guys can use these for journals or even for some closures for projects. So you already know I had to get the same colors, pink and mint, and this is what they look like. They do have other colors, and the size of this is 0.1 inches. That's the thickness. I'm not sure if they had other thicknesses. I don't quite remember, but just look up elastic cord and you guys will find these, which comes again perfect for closures when it comes to crafting. And then they have the ring binder mechanisms, and again they have other colors. They have a darker pink. I think it's more like this pink, but I went for this one right here. And the ring size is 1 1/4 inches. So the ring size is 1 1/4. And you get 2 of them, and this is their pink color. So that's what I grabbed for that. Okay, and then I did also grab this edge distressing tool. If you guys have seen my scrapbook layout video that I posted, I went ahead and I used a Tim Holtz distress tool. So they also carry one as well. So I grabbed another one, so I have one in my stash. I use it so much, and they do end up becoming dull. So I thought I would go ahead and just grab one from their shop as well, and it was really cheap too for this one here. So you can't beat the mint color, so I did have to grab one of those. And then I did grab a bunch of their eyelets. So there are different colored flower eyelets and regular ones. These are 1/3 of an inch, and you get 40 in each pack. So this would, if you're using your Craftelier, it would work with the larger one, which is 1/8, I think, no, 3/16. I'm pretty sure the 3/16 will work on that one. Yeah, 0.84 millimeters, I'm pretty sure. So I got this darker pink color, and I got the mint, and I also grabbed the pink, and then I also grabbed the smaller pink ones right here, which are 5 millimeters. And these ones are just a little bit longer, so you can do a thicker project and use these. Perfect if you're making like an album with chipboard. And then I also grabbed the mint ones, and these are a little bit thicker. These are the same size as the flower ones, and you get 40 in here as well. The smaller ones you get 50, and this one you get 40. And then I grabbed these brads in pink. Again, all of these have different colors. They're not just pink and mint, but those are the colors I mainly use, so that's what I grabbed. Okay, and then they also have sequin packs, you guys. Like, I did not think that they would have had sequins, so I did grab 2 of the same ones. This one, I don't remember exactly which one this was. Let me check my paper here. Pastel Color Festival is what it is. So Festival is what this one is, and it just has pinks, mints, and it has this like I don't know, like peachy satin colored sequin. So I grabbed 2 packs of those. And they have a bunch of other sequins too, you guys, not just those. Then I also saw they had this ruler, and this is a pink ruler that goes up to 18 inches. I did have a pink ruler from Recollections that I used to use for my 2D class and college, and I have no idea where that went. I lost that a while ago, so I went ahead and I grabbed this. So I have a long ruler for my craft room. And this is what it looks like. So I got that for my craft room as well. And some other tools that I grabbed. I got 2 of these because I have a bunch of glue bottles. And these are just glue holders. And I've been wanting a pink glue holder. I've had some on Etsy that I've saved. But since they had them there, and, you know, I was like, you know what, let me try it out and see how it is. It looks really nice. Let me go ahead and open one and let's just see. I'm just curious. I love glue holders because I love my glue bottles. So I'm really excited for this. I'm actually super excited. So I guess let's just say I'm using my Barely Arts glue. You guys, and this bottle, or this, do you guys remember when I did my Temu? I know this isn't about Temu, but I just want to update you guys. This has not rusted yet, and I've been using this glue. So, ooh, I think that these actually are stainless steel. Okay, anyway, I put the glue bottle back. All right, this is a Barely Arts glue bottle. Yeah, oh my God, I'm so excited. I just have been wanting one of these for so long. So I am so happy I have this now. Yes. And then let's try, just so that way we can see if it works. This is my art glitter. Yes, it works too. It does touch the bottom, but I guess if you don't have your fine tip on, you can, yep, still works. Okay. I'm just trying them out, you guys, just so you guys can see. For this bottle, this is my Nuvo. I put it in this pencil holder, pastel one. So let's see if this will fit. That still works. Works for me. I know they have, not this shop, but it doesn't even matter. It still works. Anyway, yeah, so those work, and I'm really excited. I can't believe I finally have one. So I have 2 of those to have on my craft desks. I have 2 desks, so I figured I can have 1 and 1. And they do have, again, other colors. I'm going to keep saying that because I just want you guys to know, you know, that there are a variety of colors there for you guys. And then I did get this ultra fine tip bottle where I could put the glue inside of it and then use it. I did like that it had this mint green, or not mint, but it's like a turquoise color, you know, top to it. It's not that like weird blue or yellow. I don't mind yellow, but the ultra fine tip glue bottles that have those ones are not as cute as this one. So I did grab one of these, and these were, I think, were like $1.99 or something. It was like really cheap. So I grabbed that. And then this is some liquid glue. I thought I would try it out. I did like the bottle, and I like the size. These would be perfect for traveling if you're going to do, you know, like any crafting on the go. And you can always refill the bottle too. I feel like you could just reuse it. So I got one of those. And another glue bottle, which they made sure in case, like, you know, it does, like, pops open, doesn't ruin anything, is this right here. It's called the Quick Drying Block Adhesive, and it's clear drying vanillic adhesive. So this, I think, I don't know, it's giving me Fabri-Tac. I know that you could use this, yeah, right here. Clear drying, ideal for scrapbooking, bookbinding, cardboard, crafting, and eco leather projects. So I wanted to get this so that way I can use this for anything that I'm working on that needs like a stronger grab, I guess, like glue when it comes to fabrics and stuff. So I went ahead and I grabbed it, and you guys, it has, I just noticed that their new logo, Craftelier here, has this one right here. And that's their new logo. It has a little smiley face. Like, how cute. It's like winking. So I'm so glad I have a bottle that has their new logo on there. As you guys can see the difference between this one right here. And this is a cute font too, but I just love the, I love the creativity of having the little smiley, the winky face. So let's see if this fits in here too. Yes. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. Didn't mean to scream, like, make that noise. But anyway, got that glue. Okay, and then the last couple of things. So they do carry mats for your die cutting machine. So I got this magnetic mat, and you guys, like, seriously, did they really have to make a pink one? Because I'm gonna go crazy once I can't use it anymore. I've been using mine for a while now, but this, like, seriously. So I got one for my mini We Are Memory Keepers machine, the Evolution machine, and it's pink, so I thought it went well with that machine. I haven't opened it yet, but I grabbed that. And I also grabbed their standard size machine, or standard size mats. And this one is in mint, and this one, it's not magnetic or anything. This one is magnetic. Their pink ones are. So this one was a little cheaper. And again, it is a mint magic mat. And then I did get a couple of the magnetic magic mats. And these are the standard size ones. And I usually use the Scrapbook.com magic mat. You guys can see, well loved. I don't mind the black ones either, but these ones are magnetic, so we'll see how they work. I don't really use my magnetic plates that I have, or my standard plates, just because they do shift my dies sometimes. So we'll see with this one. I mean, regardless, I really wanted it just for my craft room to have for aesthetic views, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna work fine. I do love these over the plastic cutting mats, so I did get those as well. And then the last thing is in here, and this has a question mark on it, so I don't know if this is like a gift or something. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, so this was a gift, and what they did was, oh, it's a little puzzle to put together. That's cute. I can have my daughter try to do this. I think it's their new logo, maybe? Let's see. Okay, you guys, it definitely is their logo. Their new logo. I am usually pretty good I'm pretty good at doing puzzles, but I don't know why. I think it's because I'm just trying to finish fast and I'm not really concentrating. I cannot figure it out for the life of me. I am almost done with it, but you could definitely see that it is a new logo. So I'm trying to finish this before my son wakes up, so that way I can do record another video. So time is ticking, but I'm definitely going to try to figure this out, because knowing me, I'm going to want to. So I am going to work on that, but that is everything that I received from Craftelier. So I just want to thank Craftelier for reaching out to me and asking if I would like to test out some of their products and grab some things, so that way I can, you know, test them out and have them in my stash. And honestly, I was so excited when I saw that they messaged me, because again, I have been eyeing their things for a while now, for a couple years. Again, if you guys are interested in it, I will have their link. I will have their shop linked down below for you guys. I am not affiliated with them, so it is just a link to get to their shop for your convenience. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul video, and I hope that you guys grab some things from them and support them. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!